Green Acres is the place to be. Farm living is a life for me. Hey guys, we're up here in Oro-Medonte. We have this beautiful raised bungalow, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, above grade pool. It is beautiful, stunning flooring, brand new kitchen. And you know what? Listen. Oh, I can't hear anything. No cars, no sirens, no buses, no trucks. All I can hear is country nature. We have cows in the backyard. Can you see the cows? Ah, they're coming, they're sleeping. But it's great living. We're up here in the country. We have so much to do. You have a horseshoe for skiing. You've got Bass Lake Provincial Park. You have Lake Couchiching. You have lakes, park, scenery, everything you want up here. So you gotta move out of the city and come up to country life.